Hi, I'm Jimmy and I work for Ronseal. Me and my colleagues at Ronseal have created loads of content to help you get the DIY done as quickly and as painlessly as possible. So we're going to prove to you that it does exactly what it says on the tin. In this video, we're going to talk to you about how to protect your deck using Ronseal's Deck and Protector. This video is perfect for you if you have a new uncoated deck that you want to keep looking natural and protected from weather and wear. Before you get started, you'll need to prepare your deck, and this will differ depending on what condition your deck's in. For a new deck like this, you'll need to clean it and make sure you've removed any pre-treatment that might be there. If it's oiled or stained, you'll need to strip it, and if it's an old uncoated deck, you'll need to restore it. There are videos available on our website depending on what condition your deck's in. Once you've prepped, make sure the deck is dry and the weather is good. Start by shaking the tin thoroughly. Pour the Deck and Protector into a plastic container and with a brush, work the protector into the wood grain. If, after 15 minutes, you notice any protector pooling or ponding, redistribute it to dry areas. Wait for a maximum of 2 hours for the first coat to dry before applying the second. And once you're done, make sure you leave 24 hours before you move your furniture back to preserve your finish. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.